Hey everybody, and welcome to today's vlog. In today's vlog, you're going to see us do a lot of bike riding, which is really how we've been passing the time, as well as a lot of cooking. The first thing I wanted to show you is this really cool new backpack that I got for Tibby, and look, she can take a bike ride with it. She seems to be liking it so far, and I really hope it stays that way.
Tibby, you like that? Hey. Tibby.
Making pizza today, so let's go ask Sherif how he rolls it. Show us how to make pizza dough. First, use flour.
Yeah, you need to put flour.
You've already rolled one, so not rolling another one. Sherif made this yesterday.
You roll it into a ball. Like this. I like to make sure that the surface is covered in flour so it's not too sticky. Okay, and when you have a ball like this, you just squeeze the outside like a steering wheel. This. Okay, and you get this dough with a lump in the middle, and you just press it down. And this basically gives you the shape you need. And then you just roll it out until you get the thickness that you want.
You don't have to throw it in the air?
You could.
Oh no, I didn't get it.
No.
Throw it again. I didn't get the height it went to. Oh my god, it went so high.
That's it.
Perfect.
Make sure the bottom has flour so it doesn't get stuck.
Nice. Okay, let's put the toppings on. We are putting our sauces on. What kind do you have there, Sherif?
Pesto with nuts and ricotta.
And I'm using pesto calabrese. There's Sherif's pizza. There's my pizza. Doesn't look so appetizing right now, but it will be. Korean. And now we put on some feta.
We don't have any mozzarella.
Tomatoes and feta pizza, lots and lots of feta. Yours needs more feta. In the oven they went. I messed up the shape a little bit, that's me. 4, that's on this one.
Oh, this should be lower.
And on 200. But it's not the right time. Look how cool. These go inside. Cheers. Power?
Am I?
On your arm. This arm, other arm. birthday for brunch, a very big brunch. Smoked salmon, eggs Benedict with breakfast potatoes, orange juice, coffee, and bacon. A lot for a Wednesday. And while they're still up, because Tibby likes playing with them, I'll show you the decorations that I put up last night. Here, when Sherif left his bedroom this morning, he had this beautiful curtain. Living room, cheers to 30 years banner. Happy birthday, which is currently blocked by this lamp. It says happy birthday, and because the door's open, and then balloons. Here is my personal favorite for vintage good times. Champagne. And the champagne glass. Cheers! And here I'm also going to show you the birthday cake that I ordered. It says happy 30th birthday Sherif. Let's show you a peek underneath. It looks really cool. And then, of course, some candles for it. But that's for later. No peeking. So as you would have seen from breakfast today is Sharifi's birthday, 30th birthday. So right now we are preparing, and it's dinner time. We're so hungry. We're having Korean barbecue at home since there's nothing else that you can really do to celebrate the birthday.
Nothing is open.
Because nothing is still open. We're having Korean barbecue at home, and I'll show you what I got. So much different meats. We have
in spicy marinade. This is pork belly in a different type of marinade. This is a type of beef rib, I think. And then these are beef Angus slices in 2 types of sauce.
Ooh, ooh. Vegetable, kimchi, rattlers, and the barbecues over there. You can see all the meats. Tibby's gonna watch intently. Look at these cute little tiny pieces. I think it's good. So we have our 2. Go on, birthday boy. Kimchi, no, no, no.
Oh my god.
How do you think, Tibby?
How do I cook like this? Oh, that's good stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna try it now. So good. Oh my god, it's spicy.
Pork belly.
Good birthday boy. And that's it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I try and upload every week as long as something's happening. See you next week. Bye.